Kev, you remember the group? You know, no new friends, we all about that.
It's your birthday!
Happy birthday to my boy!
Listen, guys, I know this is a press day. Y'all want to ask my man Trey a bunch of questions right now. So I'm gonna speak for Trey, because my man his ankle's broken. Wow. No, you did. You dislocated your hip. Listen, his hip, no you didn't. Your heart is stopping. No, you're not. Stop. Listen, his shoulder is out of place. Because of that, I'm gonna take questions as if I'm Trey. Okay? Because what you want to know, I'm gonna take his personality.
Trey, do you sing soprano or alto or tenor?
Well, you gotta understand, I put a new song out called, it's funny the title, because it makes me think of something that I did. Put a new song out called Sensation. Check it out, it's coming out soon. Albums everywhere. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, James.
James, going out here, James. James, going out here, man. Basically, how I hurt my leg is me and James went to go play some ball, and I was playing with some real NBA cats. Went to go dunk on the guy, came down the wrong way. It happens to the best of them, aka myself. What's up? You had two questions. We can't let you get this question. Somebody else
thank you,
question. You, sir.
Trey, you're at the top of R&B right now. What's it taking for you to get to that point?
You gotta understand something about me. The boss out here in these streets. I just make it do what it do. And when it don't do that, I do something else. At the end of the day, I do it. Yeah! What will I take away from New Orleans? Understand that New Orleans was what it was. At the end of the day, you can't make this. That's why you make it do that. But what I did was something different, and that's why it got done. But if you don't do that, then you're gonna get that. And that's why you do that. But yeah, but it makes you go, yeah. And that's why.
What do you do?
I think we broke the mic. You know what? Listen, guys, we would like to do a lot of questions, but I want you to understand this is from me to you. You're looking at two talented men. I'm here as a friend. Congratulations, James Harden, being a young NBA talent, aka showstopper, aka a man who has just acquired one of the best big men in the NBA. Don't hate him, love him for getting to something that, well, I don't know the rest of this. Wait, Trey, I'm not done. Wait, I got something good right now.
Tell him about the movie.
No, I got something good.
Tell him about the movie.
When I'm done.
Explain
Trey Songz put on a phenomenal performance, not a performance at the Essence Festival. Dude, he's done it 2 times, 3 times. How many times you been here? 4 times in a row now, man. Amazing things. With that being said, let's talk about Let Me Explain, my movie. Let Me Explain is breaking records right now. If you don't know, you know now. Listen, yes, it's my birthday. Yes, I've been having a good time. Don't judge me. Understand that I'm with my friends and we're celebrating life. Celebrate this performance. Celebrate this man's new accomplishment in acquiring Dwight Howard. We are out. This has been real and we are gone.
Are you done?
I'll say real quick.
Trey, just go. Trey, go. James, go.